The unprocessed facts and figures and symbols is called data. The organized, meaningful and useful data is called information. Who invented a machine in 1642 AD for automatic addition and subtraction? A French mathematician and physician, Blaise Pascal. Who was Charles Babbage? A British mathematician and scientist who invented difference engine. Who is called the father of computer? Charles Babbage. Who is called the father of modern computer? Alan Turing. What is the basic unit of a computer storage memory? Bit. The 8 bits are called byte. Byte has how many possible combination of 0 and 1? 256. A memory in computer which stores most recent information for fast retrieval in the future is called cache memory. What type of languages are machine and assembly languages? Low-level languages. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. GPS is the combination of how many satellites? 24. Those satellites which allow TV or radio etc. to send signals are called communication satellites. BIOS stands for Basic Input or Output System. The program in computer which allows to identify users or save site login information is called cookies. IP in computer stands for Internet Protocol Address. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. The data transferred by a computer network in a specific amount of time is called bandwidth. DSS in computer stands for Decision Support System.